Explorations, techniques, and mining. Mineral exploration. Mineral exploration is the process of finding ore deposits to support mining operations. Uses a combination of scientific methods to locate and evaluate potential mineral resources. Exploration techniques. First is the geological exploration. Next, geochemical exploration. Third is the geophysical exploration, and the last is drilling explorations. Geological explorations. Mapping and studying surface rock types, structures, and alteration to identify mineralized zones. Main methods. Geological mapping. Recording rock types, structures, and mineral occurrences. Structural geology analysis. Understanding faults, folds, and fractures that may control mineral deposition. The last is the remote sensing, satellite imagery, and aerial photography to identify surface patterns linked to mineralizations. Geological exploration. Real-world example, Tampakan Copper Gold Project, Philippines. One of Southeast Asia's largest undeveloped copper-gold deposits, identified through detailed geological surveying and mapping. Next is the geophysical explorations, detecting subsurface anomalies by measuring physical properties like magnetism, gravity, or electrical conductivity. Main methods: magnetic survey, detecting variation in the magnetic field caused by magnetic minerals or magnetite. Gravity survey, measure the density differences in subsurface rocks. Next is the electrical methods, measures resistivity or induce polarization to detect conductive minerals like sulfides. Last is the seismic surveys, use shock waves to map subsurface structures. Geophysical exploration, real-world example, Mount Isa, Australia. Magnetic and gravity surveys identified hidden copper, lead, zinc ore bodies beneath barren rock. Geochemical exploration, analyzing the chemical composition of rocks, soil, sediments, water, or vegetation to detect trace elements related to mineralizations. Main method: soil sampling detects dispersion halos above buried deposits. Next is the stream sediment sampling, finds upstream sources of metals. Last is the rock chip sampling, direct collection from exposed mineralized zone. Geochemical exploration, real-world example, Baguio Gold District, Philippines. Stream sediment sampling revealed gold anomalies, leading to the discovery of several epithermal gold veins. Drilling exploration, the process of drilling into the earth to collect rock samples, core or cuttings to direct evaluate mineralization. Types of drilling: diamond core drilling, reverse circulations or RC drilling, rotary drilling, used in soft ground for shallow deposits. Drilling exploration, real-world example, Oyu Tolgoi, Mongolia. Drilling confirmed a massive copper-gold resource after initial surface explorations. Last is the integration of techniques. Exploration is most successful when methods are combined. First is the geological, identify favorable rocks. Next is the geophysical, pinpoint anomalies. And next is the geochemical, confirm geochemical signatures. And the last is drilling, verify mineral presence and quality. Thank you and God bless.